Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to import media and import pictures. You simply go to our home button and we click on open. Now you need to remember where you saved your files. You can go ahead and simply click on the image that you would like to open in Photoshop. Very simple, very straightforward. Now what you'll find is that the image actually opens up in a different tab. So the tabs up here work the same way as your tabs would on Safari or Google Chrome. If you're on the internet, you click back and forth to go back and forth to the different images in workspaces. So if we go back to our image right here, very nice, very abstract, artsy. If we want to start working with this, what we first need to do is simply unlock it on the layers. You simply click on the lock to unlock it, and now you can see that you get a lot more edit options. So I also want to show you just how to move this. If you go to your move tool, simply click and hold and drag. And you want to click and hold, and drag this onto the other tab. And then while still holding, drag down, and whatever you do, don't let go until now. That will have moved the image in from a different tab into your workspace. And this is the easiest way to do it. Once you get used to it, it's simple. A lot of students tend to kind of let go a little too early. Whatever you do, just press, hold, and let it go. So now if you want to change the size of this, you just want to tick transform controls at the top, so show transform controls. This allows you to change the size and to rotate the image that you're working with. So you can start scaling this up, and I want this to fill the entire image, so I'm going to scale it a little bit too big. And you see it looks a little bit fuzzy. Don't worry about this though. So if the quality looks worse, you just have to go to the top and you have two buttons that says, no, I've changed my mind, I don't want to do this, or a little tick that says, yes, approve changes. So every time that you make changes, Photoshop will ask you, are you sure that you wanted to do that? And as soon as you click yes, the quality will again improve and your image looks a lot better again. So don't stress too much about your image maybe not looking great. That's all fine. And if you want to rotate, you simply hover the mouse next to one of the corners and you see that you get a little curved arrow that allows you to spin things around. And those are the basics when it comes to importing and moving around images. Fairly straightforward, but this is the way we like to do it.